Welcome to South Carolina living, where charm meets history and where every inch of your land offers something to smile about. Asterisk, all furniture, mowers, appliances, tools and workshop equipment can stay. At no additional charges, this isn't just a home. It's a golfer's paradise, right here on your own land. You'll enjoy a 5-hole putting green. All of it beautifully tucked into 1.11 acres in the heart of historic downtown. Step outside and you're greeted with more than just grass and trees. You've got an in-ground pool, you've got fruit trees, there's an apple tree, a pear tree, even an orange tree, and it doesn't stop there. Imagine waking up and walking out to check your carrot plants, your strawberries, and even your very own pecan tree and walnut tree. This property gives you something very rare. It's lush, it's fertile. It's living and it's all yours. Step up under the grand front porch, tall, graceful, welcoming it brings you into an inviting foyer, the kind that instantly says, "You're home now." To your left, the formal living room. To your right, the formal dining room, both filled with charming details. Like decorative fireplace mantles and stately moldings, it's the kind of craftsmanship you just don't see in newer homes. Now move into the updated kitchen. It's spacious, bright, and flows effortlessly into your sunroom. This space feels like sunshine all year long, big, warm, perfect for coffee, for quiet evenings. Or for entertaining your favorite people, you've got one bedroom downstairs, ideal for guests, parents. Or easy access and 3 bedrooms upstairs, enough space for family. For visitors or even a home office, both bathrooms have been updated, giving you comfort and style, while still respecting the home's vintage soul. Now step outside again, because this home is made for living outdoors. There's a workshop, a serious space for tinkering, building, fixing, or dreaming. You also get a greenhouse. Grow your own food, herbs or flowers all year round, and yes, the home comes with solar panels. Lower bills, greener energy, and more peace of mind. This is the kind of home where you can raise a family, or retire in peace, or start that dream lifestyle you've always wanted. You're not just buying a house, you're investing in a life filled with fruit trees, sunshine, golf greens, and garden beds. A place that has space to grow, room to rest, and energy that feels real. So mark your calendar, Friday, June 13th, 3 to 5 p.m. Come feel it for yourself. And remember, everything you see, it's included: furniture, tools, equipment, workshop gear. It's all ready and waiting. This is more than a showing. It's a chance to step into a home that's ready to welcome you. Welcome to South Carolina, where charm lives in every corner, and your best life starts right here.